Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can change the alignment of text or numbers or any value in Excel file. So let's say we have this table and we would like to change the alignment of this text first and then this numbers. To do that, select the column which you want to edit or the entire row or even just one square value. Click on the orientation or /AB and select Format Cell Alignment. And here you will be able to modify by just dragging this indicator. You'll be able to align as you want. You can apply it to text, numbers, and any other values. So once done, just click Save, and this should save your settings. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.